It's been a while, so let's do this. Hey guys, what's poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, we are unboxing this AirPod Pro. For this video because I heard so much good things about this AirPods Pro and I cannot wait to use them. I actually have the first generation AirPod, which is right here. I love these so much. It is just so convenient. Also, I just love how we don't have to deal with tangled wires.
That is the worst.
So the price of this is $250 without tax. It will be $270-ish with tax. But anyways, before I unbox this AirPods Pro, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. Well, I try to post every week, but you know, sometimes life happens. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. I kind of want to do a little bit of ASMR, just like what I did on my Apple Watch. That was a fail. I'm not gonna go all the way through. We're back to the normal volume. So yeah, I'm gonna open this bad boy right now. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's nothing. The first thing that I see says
designed by Apple in California.
Okay, California. So this is probably the instruction that came with it. Yep, this is the instruction. Also it says
safety and handling for your AirPods.
I'm probably gonna need this because we don't know anything about her yet. So this is what the AirPods look like. Oh my God. I'm so scared that I'm gonna scratch them, so I'm really trying to be careful right now. What else are in here? It also comes with wires, and it also comes with this little bubbles. I'm not real sure what it's called. It's basically different kinds of size for your ears so that it will be more comfortable. I've seen it before, but I've never touched them. There she is. It's so tiny compared to the first generation. So I'm gonna go try to connect it on my phone before I do anything else. So I heard it's really easy to do it, so I'm gonna put her back in there. In order for you to connect it, you just have to be really close to the phone that you want to connect, and also you just have to open the case. Okay, really easy. Connect. Is that it? Oh, now it's like teaching me how to use it and everything.
Control center, press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency.
Announce messages, have Siri read out. Not now. There you go, Mikey Swizzle's AirPods Pro.
Hello!
Now that it's connected, let's go try it. Let's do this thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. I heard it. I heard the noise. I heard it's really comfortable in your ears, so I'm gonna go tell you guys about it if it actually is comfortable. Oh my gosh, I feel like I cannot really hear anything from outside. Am I in noise canceling? This is tripping me out. Wow, it is so quiet. Because you know how if you don't have headphones on, you can kind of hear your surrounding like a little bit.
This is so weird.
So let's see what mode I'm in. So apparently you just have to scroll down on your right screen, and also on the middle right thing, you guys can see here, there's like an AirPods thingy. I don't even know what to like call it, but you just have to hold that. And yep, I am in noise cancellation. Let's go turn that off. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. How about transparent? Whoa. But anyways, that is so cool. So next thing, let's go look for the right size for my ears. So apparently there's a test on your phone, so we just have to go to settings, and then let's go to Bluetooth. Then let's go look for our AirPods. It is right there. And then ear tip fit test. So that will help us see what's the best fit for my ears. Continue.
Ear tip fit test. Place AirPods in both ears so they're comfortable and secure, then press play to fit test.
Okay. They're playing some music. Okay. Okay, ear tip fit test.
adjust both AirPods in your ears or try another ear tip.
Okay, so they said adjust it. I guess this is not the right fit for me. Okay, bye. This is the medium apparently. How do I even take this out? I'm so scared that I'm gonna break this. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? Did I break it? Oh my god, oh my god. Alright, I feel like I'm breaking it. There you go. Okay. We're good, we're good. This is what it looks like without the little thing. So this is a medium. I'm gonna go switch it to small. So I'm just gonna go snap that in. Wow, that's really easy. Alright, so hopefully this would fit me better. Oh yeah, I see the difference. Like this thing is way too big for my ears. This one is more of a snuggy feel. Alright, now that I switch it, let's go try the test again. I already know that. Play. Alright, now that it fits, let's go try if it actually fits. I'm just gonna go crazy and let's see if it falls out of my ear. Oh, shake my head. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That wasn't a good idea. But hey, it's still here, so I guess it does fit, okay? Since we test all the testing things that we need to test, we're gonna go actually try to listen to the music and let's see if the quality is good. I'm probably not gonna put it in this video because, you know, copyright, so yeah. I'm just looking for a song right here. Alright, it's approved. We love it. So this is just a quick comparison. This is what it looks like. I can finally play with my AirPods Pro. I got this AirPods Pro a week or two ago, but I haven't had time to actually sit down and film a video. I've been patiently waiting for this day and I finally opened them. Ooh, I actually bought a case for it so that I wouldn't scratch it. I just chose a light purple case. It's very simple. I just don't want it to get scratched, so I got that. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoy it. Before I forget, today's shout out goes to Pinar Karahan. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.